Hi Beeros and welcome back to the Craft Beer channel. Today we're doing another sofa sessions, and it really is a session because we're doing only session beer.
Oh, I like your little link there.
It's alright.
We're not exactly sitting on a sofa, but we are enjoying one of the last days of summer.
Yeah,
probably.
I don't know why your back's backs to your chair. That's unusual. It's not very sofa-y.
No.
But that's okay, they look great, and that's what's important in a sofa. So low ABV has been a bit of a trend in the UK. In America they're trying, but to them low ABV is a very different notion.
It's like 5% or something, 4% or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. The rule I've set for these guys is less than 3.
Years ago I can remember drinking Kernel table beer because it was the cheapest thing you could drink at nice restaurants.
Oh, right, yeah, okay. Oh. You go to nice restaurants?
No, not really.
I didn't think you did.
Pizza places, stuff like that,
pizza places. They're at a pretty outrageous 2.9.
Oh my
so we're going to start just a shade higher, bang on 3, and then unusually for one of our videos work down the ABV scale.
This is crazy.
Not up.
Until we are teetotalers. What have you got for me?
First up, we're going for Track. There's a couple of
I don't know too much about
Craft
Track.
Beer channel debuts.
Yeah.
So Track are from Central Manchester. Can I just say?
Yes.
That's an awesome bottle opener. It's got a magnet on it, so you don't.
How good is it?
Wow, that is pretty
cool.
amazing. So Track, they're from Central Manchester. They're actually just by the Barrel store, if you've ever been to the Barrel store.
And they've got a great logo. Which
there you go, there's a nice
noticed.
pour for you. I'm going to tilt my glass.
The people, look at what I have to deal with. This is outrageous.
Yeah, so Track make really nice, mostly hoppy beer. Sonoma is their pale ale, and it is magnificent on cask. So what have we got here? 3%. What other info?
It says water, malted barley, wheat, oats, hops and yeast.
Wow,
I mean, I like all of those things.
It's definitely American hops. It's got a nice sweet crackeriness to it.
Oh, this foam smells sensational.
Yeah, good.
This is like a milk pour. Foam. I love a milk pour. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, it's nice and dry, cracker dry. Some nice citrus to it.
You wouldn't want a wet cracker, would you?
No, nobody likes a wet cracker. Does that?
It's got a hoppy bitterness to it, which is good. It's nice to have it at such a low percentage, isn't it?
But I'd say there's just a tiny bit of chewiness there that I don't necessarily want. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's making me want to go. But that is incredibly drinkable.
They've packed them in, haven't they?
Yeah, they really have. Drink up, son. It's only 3%. So the second beer. Yeah, give the tree some. Yeah. So the second beer we're doing is the all-time classic, as always, well ahead of their time.
This is the one.
The Kernel.
This is the South London Pizza Restaurant classic.
As with all Kernel beers, they never really brew the same recipe again. This is with Eldorado and Amarillo, so it should be pretty juicy.
Oh my god, it smells kind of really funky and weird, but amazing. What percentage is that? 2.5.
2.9.
2.9. Wow.
Lemonade-y.
Yeah.
Bready.
Yeah, it's got bready.
And that juice does kind of shine through. I get some Eldorado, just pure juicy fruit.
I mean, I'd be happy with that if
And it has none of the chewiness that the Track has. It's super, just slips down. It is, to me, it is like lemonade.
Yeah, just not lemony enough.
Well, I don't mean lemon. I mean lemon and barley.
Lemon and barley.
It's Robinson's lemon and barley.
Bit more, like wheaty, thicker kind of sort of vibe. Now I want to drink lemon and barley.
Yeah, should we just do a video
Let's go
on
and play cricket or rounders in the field and then drink that.
Cucumber sandwiches and... I hate cucumber I hate cucumber.
Yeah, cucumbers.
Can go suck it.
Overrated.
Beer number 3.
Onwards.
I'm glad I moved on because I worried what was about to come out of your mouth.
I was going to say go suck a cucumber.
Yeah, okay. That is quite the insult. It's pretty mean.
You said cucumbers can suck it.
But you think that it's the cucumbers that should be sucked.
I think you should go suck a cucumber.
Anyway, so we have another craft beer channel debut from Gadds.
Gadds. So these are like
good Gadds.
They're south coast.
Very cask led, but they make some nice bottled stuff. And this is a 1.3%.
We've heard good things about this from our friends at
Hotburns Black. I think it's also interesting to see a brewery like Gadds. They say needs to be drunk as fresh as possible.
Yeah.
As fresh as absolutely possible. I'd phrase that differently. The sooner the better. Time is not on our side.
They're really emphasising.
Yeah, they're like you need to drink this quick.
It's like a grenade.
It's been in our glass for like 30 seconds. They're going to get angry at us.
Dead.
I was going to get the aroma, but that's cool.
I'm just drinking it. I feel like time's a wasting.
I really like that.
I like it, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I'm sort of maybe drinking a macro lager.
So what I'm about to say seems like ultra noob, spelled N00B.
Yeah.
It tastes real ale-y, like there's a British yeast in there. Whereas these guys have probably used US05 or 04 or something super simple. Here, I'm getting a little bit of ester, a little bit of stone fruit. I just think what it adds...
It's almost like a revival-y type thing.
Maybe. I just think it adds a little bit of middle notes to the beer. So we've got lots of high notes and lots of low notes with the cracker dry maltiness.
Maybe.
This has got a little bit of oomph to it from a slightly...
Yeah. Maybe I've been wowed by the high notes of these.
Really well done. It's 1.2%. If I drank that at 4% on cask, I'd be like, hell yes.
Okay, I totally forgot it was 1.2. That is pretty amazing for 1.2. When you consider these are 3.
If you think that was a serious achievement,
yes.
We're about to try a 1% lager.
1% beer.
In a stubby bottle like Beer Door.
And slightly trendier label, I must say.
What are you saying about Beer Door?
I mean, it has its place, doesn't it? But I know you grew up on Beer Door.
I did. Well, not grew up.
Your schooling.
Went through my teens.
It's quite excitable.
It's coming for us. It says yeast action in the bottle. Oh my.
It is. It's foamy.
So this is a dark lager.
What? Do you know what? I like it already because this you would not expect from a 1% beer.
Dark as it gets.
That's exciting, isn't it? Quite like that.
Yeah, fresh coffee, tiny bit meaty. Bit worried there's autolysis.
Yeah, it's a bit meaty. It's a bit like a little bit pepper. Yeah, like smoky meaty.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, like It's smoky. It is smoky. Oh, it's like cigarette butt smoky. That, I mean, considering that's 1%, the amount of smoke that's going on alone is kind of exciting.
For me, it just dies in the mouth. It's over carbonated.
Yeah.
It's over roasty. It's got either autolysis or smoked malt in it.
I like the fact that they are pushing expectations of what a low ABV beer can be, whereas this is quite traditional. That is not really.
So we've answered the main question: is you can get good low ABV beer, but maybe look to real ale guys or guys who are known for their balance.
Yes.
And you're pretty much guaranteed to have a beer that's going to be satisfying.
Totes.
Making small batches of low ABV beer is incredibly challenging, so we'll see how these guys do. There's like the Endless Session, Small Beer, a couple of other guys. We'll see how they do. We'll keep an eye on them, and I'd give Small Beer another go, but that wasn't for me.
Me neither.
Yeah. Anyway, next week's video will probably be much more drunk than this.
Cheers.
Cheers.